Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are all fine. I am your math teacher Shahzeb Zafar from Maryland High School. Today lecture of 7th class, exercise 3b. In question number 1, we solve the quadratic equation by factorization and we make the factors of quadratic equation. Then we take in part 1 we take the maximum coefficient of the highest power is 1. So in lecture first we only solve the quadratic equation which highest power and its coefficient is 1. Now I take any number with coefficient, any number with its maximum power. That is quadratic equation in n and its highest power is 2 and its coefficient is 3. So we make its factorization and then we break middle number 10n into two numbers. We split into two numbers which is factors of product of these two numbers. We multiply constant with its coefficient 7 3s are 21 and split 10n into two factors with two numbers which product is 21 and its simplification is plus 10n. So first 3 multiply 7, its product is 21 and when I add 3n plus 7n and its simplification is 10n which is our required numbers, two number. So I split 10n into 3n plus 7n plus 7. So in first two term I see which number is common from these first two numbers. So I see here 2n is common and 3. So take 3n common, it's mean we divide 3n with both two numbers. When I divide 3 remain 1 and take as n common from n square, so here left n. Plus I take 3n, so I take whole 3n, so here left is 1. Plus 7n plus 7, so here common is 7. So when I take 7 common from 7n, so here remain n. Plus I take 7 common, so here 7 ones are 7, only left 1. So here n plus 1 is common in both terms, so I take again n plus 1. So here left 3n and plus 7. So these are the factor of this quadratic equation, 3n square plus 10n plus. Now I take other part of quadratic equation and with the highest power its coefficient is any numbers 3 4. Here I solve 3 and here coefficient is 4. So first we multiply its maximum coefficient of the maximum power with constant 4 3s are 12 and split middle number into these two numbers which product is of these two numbers product of 12 and its simplification is 8p. So 4 3s are 12 and factor of 12 is 2 multiply 6 also 12, 4 multiply 3 also 12, but I need the required factors, required numbers which simplification is 8. If we add or subtract then I get 12, 2 plus 6 I get 8. So I need these two numbers 6 and 2. So I write 4p square and split 8p into 2p plus 6p. So maybe you write first 6p and later than 2p, so it's not an issue. So first I look into first two numbers which number is common. So p is common and 2. So take 2p common. So in first number when I take 2 common from 4 then here left is 2. 2 2s are 4 and I take common from p square p, so here remain p is power 1. So 2p I take common, here left 1 plus 6p plus 3. So here common is 3. 3 is divided with 3 and also 3 is factor of 6. So here common is 3. 3 2s are 6 and p plus 3 1s are. So again in both terms 2p plus 1 is common. Then again I take common 2p plus 1. So here left 2p. So here and 3. So these are the factor of 4p square plus 8p plus 3. So let look other example of these factors. Other part of these same questions as we perform the last. So method is try to understand, we take the coefficient of highest power and multiply with coefficient, that is 12. 12 6 are 72. So I split 17 into two numbers the two numbers which product is 72, and when I perform addition or subtraction, then I get minus 17. So first I find the factor of 72 and according to minus 17 cube. So which number is product is 17, and when I add or subtract, then I get minus 17. 9 8s are 72, and also 12 6s are 72, but I need two numbers, these 9s and 8. When I perform minus 9q minus 8q, then I get minus 17q. So this is the required factors, minus 9q minus 8q. So I break 17 into two numbers. These are 9q minus 18q plus 12. So simply I write minus 17 into minus 9q and minus 8q. When I perform simplify minus 9q minus 8q, then I get minus 17. So then again take common from first two numbers, these 6q square minus 9q. So here common is 3q. When I take 3 from 6, 3 2s are 6, and take common q square q, then remain q. Then negative sign. Then when I take 9 common from 9, 3 common, then 3 3s are 9 and q cancel with q. Then minus sign, I get here negative sign in the second term with the second term. So I take common negative sign. 8q plus 12. So here common is big as 2, also common, and bigger number is 4. So we take the biggest number common. So 4, first multiply signs, minus minus plus, 4 2s are, and q as it is, plus minus minus, and 4 3s are 12. So here write 3. So again the same numbers in both terms. So I take common 2q minus 3. So here left 3q and minus 4. So these are the factor of this quadratic equation. Today we perform question number 2 of exercise 3b, and your assignment you complete perform the question number 3. I just take 3 examples from exercise 3b question number 2. So you complete, your assignment is to complete this question. Thank you so much.